Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to MyAmes Week 11, Christmas in Australia. Ho, ho, ho! In Week 11, you will learn words about Christmas in Australia. Listen, read, mark and type about Christmas in Australia. Write about your week. Have a fun and happy holiday. Ho, ho, ho! See you next year. Number 2, we can make this bigger by clicking on here. Whoa! Click on the words as we go. Click
Christmas tree,
and listen.
star,
Mm-hmm.
bells,
Okay, when you've listened to all the words, we can now match. We need to listen to the words down here at the bottom and then drag it and find the word up here. Drag from the bottom. There we go. You'll find it at the bottom of the screen. Listen to the words right down the bottom. Listen. Wreath. So you drag and drop. Then we can check our answers. Next one, we have to look at the words down the bottom and drag and drop up to here. So here is star, drag and drop. Then we can check the answers. When you've finished, click back here. Then we can listen to it again. Carols. So then I need to take this one and drop it onto there. Carols. Good. Back here. Fill in the space. So now I have to write it in my self star. Write them all in. You've got to remember those words. Click back here. And then we have a dictation. So we listen and listen. Bells. Oh, I can do bells. Bells. Check your answers and then move on. I need to click back here to get back to MyAmes. Listen to the story.
Christmas in Australia.
Turn the page and listen to each one as you go. Get to listen and click, and at the end, all the way through. This is great. You can click here and listen to the lovely carols. It's fabulous. Read again. Yippee! Don't forget to click on here and listen to her sing. Here are all the sentences. Now we have to click on the words. Christmas Day, Christmas Day. Then check. Yippee. Go all the way through those and don't forget to click the star at the end. Number 5 is the same. Find the words, click on it and continue on. All the way through. And again, click the star at the end. Number 6 is put in order. So we have to look over here and put these in order. Christmas Day is on. Christmas Day is on 20 25th, 25th of December. Don't forget to check all the way through to the end and then click your star. Number 7 is the same, put in order. Families have special lunches. Click and drag. Have special lunch. Now we read and answer the questions. This is about going to school, Christmas in Australia. Click and move on. Now we have to type in. Oops, I missed that one. Let's have a look. Christmas Day is on December. Look over here. December 25th of December. December. Check. Yippee. Go through and then do the star at the end. Number 9 continues on the same as we did for number 8. Number 10, write about your week. Write about your month. Month. So here you write your name, when you were born, what month you were born in. So I would write January. When did you arrive in Australia? I came to Australia in which month? I start English class in I started English class in which month you started. Type that in here. I started English class in what month? And then we submit our answers here. Thank you very much for joining us this year in MyAmes, especially in Term 4. Have a fabulous holiday. Be safe, and we hope to see you back next year. Yippee, yippee, yay.